Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting an interior in 3dsmax. So let's get started. So as we have seen over here, the texturing part. So we are almost done the texturing part. Let's complete it. So let's select this over here. Let's go into this polygons. Select this much of its polygons over here. Let's go into the material. Let's take a Vray material. Let's give a steel kind of a look. Increase its reflectiveness. And just assign it. Control I, inverse. And let's go into material and let's give a bit of glass onto it. Alright. So you can decrease its reflection if you want. Now let's select this and let's give a bit of a texture to this bag over here. For that, what I can do over here is like I can just take a kind of a bag texture or cardboard texture over here. So you can just take a light brown texture over here. So you can just take a light brownish texture over here. So let's save as this image over here. Let's go into material. You can just rename the materials also. So let's go into this, go into the bitmap and go into the desktop. So you need to give a cardboard texture over here and let's give a UVW map. That's it, much better. So select this and this and let's again give a Vray material. Let's take a eyedropper tool and let's give a bit of a darker color texture to it. So once you have assigned this texture, let's keep on saving the file. So select this, let's go into the polygon, go into material. I'll take one more Vray material and I'll give a wall texture over here. For that, let's can take this texture, just assign it. You can just go into this and we can just increase or decrease its styling. You can just see the reference over here. If you need a, can just take it to 1:1. That's your width and height should be 1 and 1. I'll just give a bit of let's reflection to this. For this, you can just give in that way, much better. Now let's go over here and let's just texture this things out. Save your file. So we can give some texture to this, as it is going to be very far. We are going to just assign a bit of ceramic material on top of it for the cups. So let's take a Vray material, go into the bitmap, and let's go into this, and let's give a bit of assign this ceramic texture over here. So once you have assigned this texture, you can go into this UVW map, and I'm just giving a box texture, although it's going to be very far, so I'm not going with the individual stuff. If you want to go with the individual stuff, you can go with the individual stuff also, not a problem. So if you want to go with the individual stuff, then we just need to delete this, make a copy of it, alright. So just keep on saving the files over here. So for this bottles, we can give a bit of still look over here. So we'll just give one bottle a look of a metallic or steel. So let's go into this. So let's go into this and let's assign this material. Again, go into this material over here. Let's take a Vray material and let's give a bit of a white color to it. Alright. So select this and this. Let's delete this and let's just duplicate this stuff over here. So keep on saving the files. So once you're done with this, so we can just give a texture over here. We'll just give a dark color texture over here. So just keep on selecting this all, go into materials, we'll take a stairs bitmap, can just take you can make a wooden stairs also, not a problem. You can just give a wooden texture also if you like. You can go with the wooden also, definitely look good. And let's again go into this and give a UVW map. So just select this, and if you go with this UVW map, would look good over here. So we can just give this UVW map to each and every individual. So if you want, you can give it individual also. That will definitely, if you want to fit the texture perfectly, that can be done. So for this and this, the same material will be applied so we'll be assigning the same material for this also. So just select this and give a UVW map and give a UVW map. So select this, this, this. So we need to select this, all this stuff. Go into material, and we are definitely going to assign a metallic material again. So after assigning this, let's come back to the camera view. You can just push this in this way. We're going to give the look in this way. That's it. So just keep on saving the file over here. So let's go back to the perspective view over here. So you can assign some textures over here for the bottle. So for the bottle, if you want, you can go with some kind of a glass material also. Can just duplicate that. Alright. So just keep on saving the files over here. So let's go back the camera view, save your file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.